Right, you mean I'm more cover from Unity Online TV, so I could do some and I do so I didn't know some so at the Abromedine at the Wasti Quartier, shall see any fan 7B and for a Mamisha say the free Kumasi as Santicoto Kachi. Now, when you say Omoton Aranti and the at the Kwame Puku at the Algerian Air for Club Bianidin at the USM Oja. Now, there were two judges and also in Commutuasi Capudu with the Makotoko. Omutina amutwe ho ama deadline ni twam ansana omutwe scananti kotoko foko report wo edema FIFA na FIFA hwehwe mu adudu mu awurubra mu ehunu se asisire ena enkofo yi esisi kumasi asante kotoko fontie no nam so ama FIFA enso ede band sonko ede ato eye timandindi USM Oja se or the transfer band atu no so be se 2 years enya de obetima afa player bia na we enso ne nsema if you want so at the eba kumotoko ha bium coach and din at the prosperity ogum on also so any na manchen akoyi training na training no no na ode a tournament in him say obi am feel happy na o mene nyi say kotoko team na obebo no team a sonko kura enye easy say obenya chance na wabo kotoko nti so wabo kotoko ayiro ho na bo na uba obenya achede enti ohwe kwan ya ofaso na manchen ye adwuma na utimusa niema so da na kwa mu akono yi papa na we ni nsema prosperity ogum ono so ere nsema hodo na ere etu edwa na yimano Jamfi aronso so akachi ne yakopie na abrantie na nsema ekokoso nyina akire se owurai de ntia makotokofo 10 minute contract nyina ne se last season na Bekum Chelsea for eco relegation na msa abrantie so Bekum boy ache se kotokoshe wo mu a omo relegation yankasa na yimano Jamfi pie na no ka se wono so be kwa kwhye ni krom team pam na relegation de nya de obey nti wa bobo no eno ene namua e ka hu bi na kotoko so entimi anje Premier League no team penifo no so kokọ apai se sa na che dia Emmanuel Jamfi no nya de obey na to aso ai se kokọ do ma kokọ aduana ne de keka ho na niema bi hyase a eno so ye de firi ho no ba ye gusu a ero nsempi no e de ebram na Around TV e survive within Eddie Michael Asar Bidu Akasa Yankukuti and Samokafa Emmanuel Jamfi Famra.
He is not consistent. He can't give you 20 matches consistent performance throughout the season. Obedum no aso. And to for performance are no problem. But Yenim said there are extras. The extra is that Nisuba he was earmarked. Now the rumors were already flying in. Said Jamfi will be offloaded by Kotoko because of their YLT. Oh, the mutiny in Sudan. Okay. Sudan. And then subsequently there have been allegations of bribery or modern Afra. I hope you get it. So if management feels that player needs to be to they come clear and then communicate it. But when you do some of these things, now you are pitting, I hope you get it. You are pitting a section of the fans who feel Jamfi or more idol, and then another section who feels management should sack him. Now, there be a problem. Now, if you look at social media, Kotoko supporters no more commentary. As a bebre now, bebre now you're confused. So, management of Ghanaian clubs should prioritize top-notch communication. A key. So, who communicate here? Most of these things, be a problem. Last thing.
Silver Sports.
Kotoko is putting pressure on Prosperity.
I didn't hear. Who between the 1 minute I am?
Oh, just this. Just wait. There are other elements. Maybe or some now become. But just this. With this decision, no. So coach say in the philosophy. I am telling you.
Now when is the coach in the philosophy?
Oh, that was the news flying in. Officially, Kotoko has not communicated, so we move along. Messe.
Meeting us as boys no choir.
Messe. Officially, when we got a statement, there can be
Derby.
So we go with what is
and say players be so among can't plans so.
Or say coach ne ball person they are not suitable. I mentioned suitability and sporting.
Okay.
All the pressure to coach in this one now. When the others on the bench, then people start looking at reasons beyond your mind. So they are buying unnecessary pressure for the coach.
Right and Tiano and someone around Tianidi Michael Asar Beju, Silver FM Sports Department, and also the two judges said, Emmanuel Jamfi, a player, just we do so player, I just say, Oba, no Konya, the coach, a year prosperity, and our Pamonimum, Emmanuel Jamfi, na de ye, I will break and then I'm so Makotoko Fonso Ghana, almost say almost in the year maybe na the metiti HS koto company for any Emmanuel Jamfi ebusiane penifo bi ho abemu a omo pache odi ama Emmanuel Jamfi sen be ya obesa so ato aso esi akan enso ede ama kotoko na coach ani dindi na tezu so epese o kire se nani ngine ho eti eno so akoye nsema efi ho no mo so ba yede ema odumedin so kotoko ha bium goalkeeper Danlad Ibrahim goalkeeper we medibetu dwa se kotoko 4 peso mo ton na dia betu dwa kire se Abranti Dreams FC for ni negotiation a chese bibia akoko yi Abranti no ebeka akoyi goalkeeper enso Edema Dreams FC nti Danlad Ibrahim a chese mene wo kasa say de coach ani din ede your friend say coach ani din ede Johnson Smith eko nti Danlad so ko a chese Danlad akoyi goalkeeper anaso koyi goalkeeper Edema Dreams FC a chese eno so 80% dana edena be possible say bibia so be konkan na we any the free kotoko akache ba ye de ho nsem no enso e de mamo na opani an mfu ni da so ni din e de BA na BA si opeso coach kotoko a just Steven Menu se ma wo kanyina se nani beje se kotoko be coach na you see BA aba be ye first division coach a chese okula FIFA license a uguso a wo ye nko so kakra na wo se onya big one na be pese ba be coach Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebize Kotoko no big achievement emano so be coach ye na abo na manne otime dum pempenso a wodru ndi Kotoko de unya na se wo coach a ebeboa papa na se obebo bia eye big dream achievement kese so Edema na chese eno ye nsema hodu fi obati Abrantie a ne din this Steven Menu bie ese wono ekwan bia so obefa so na ba be coach Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko na we enso ni nsemwa efi honom edeba na Kumasi Asante Kotoko akachi ho bium no Ghana Premier League 2020-2021 match fixtures no na eba na match day 1 Kotoko bekwa we omunity man din edit Dreams FC na ebebo na omunya bowia ni following week no Kotoko becha Babanyala Sports Stadium na omo tronsa dia free Bichim United na omo enom dia bape so Mbappe na omo ni eye tima didi bebia ni Go Stars akwa we so anom dia akwa bape so no masaba home ni match day 4 na omo ni tima didi ede eye 11 wonders so dia akwa chia yam so no na chi no Kotoko besa so akwa we na omo ni eye Karela United enso ede akwako bo adaso enya senketo akra na we eni Kotoko enso so dia match day 5 anase fixtures no 5 games akotoko bebo no na ede ho nsem so ede abem na House of Folk nso so die na mede ebebremo na House of Folk bebo home our first game open game no kra na community man ni din edi Legon Cities ebebo our Accra Sports Stadium na awe Kotoko I can the House of Folk akwa awe na community man din edi Wafa ewo Sugar Kope na has enso enomu akochia yam so enso o Sugar Kope eno nechi na House of Folk atina home atonsa edi afre Adriana Stars yenkonko a na omuso omno edi boys ye a eno ye match day 3 match day 4 no team ni din edi eye Aboase Ashanti Gold kwa we na onomo eda kwa ko boani ewo Aboase na has match day 5 no awatonsa eda afre Brekum Chelsea na ono eda akwa ko ba fi so a enye asanketo akra bibia enso di fi ono ba House of Folk die enso enam dia tudwa enya asanketo akra yemfansi na yefa bibia ento asubidi eda wasti kwa tinyame adma yesa so atwasubim yakra munyina